Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the details of your player skill boost. So let's get started. Let's tap my team, go to the players. For example, this is Kai Havertz, tap the details. As you can see in this page, you can see some details like the value of the player, skill move, stamina, strong foot, and I want to lock this guy, train, and the summary of his attributes like celebration. Also, he is a playmaker. So that I want to show you is this one skill boost. The skill boost of this player is short passing. So every time you are level up the skill boost, like short passing of this guy. So this is the effect of short passing skill boost that level up like acceleration, finishing, vision, dribbling, and of course short passing. Type few skill boost, and also the other player that use this skill boost, short passing. Every skill boost is different effect. Like tap the skill boost before we see about short passing, but right now we can see about second striker Mukoko. Let's see his skill boost. So this is the effect, like agility, finishing, shot power, and sprint speed and positioning. So it's different than short passing. Every skill boost have a different effect. That's the point. Like this is the pace, of course, is sprint speed and all about acceleration. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.